Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new in this channel, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get rid of crack heels naturally, like very simple, and it's going to heal your heel, okay? And it's also perfect for your hands, okay? So that's it. Watch till the end so you could see and get all the full details, okay? So also thumbs up the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video. Don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. All right, so you will oh my god, why is a word so hard? So you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, let's dive into the video. For crack heels guys, we're going to be needing bicarbonate of soda. Now this is very important, so it could scrub out the thick dead cells that is at the heel, because baking soda is a great exfoliator that helps to scrub out the dead skin cells, and it therefore helps in revealing a brighter and a newer skin. It helps to remove dark spots and pimples. Okay guys, so for the baking soda, we're going to be taking in 2 tablespoons because we're going to be using that for the 2 heels guys. Okay, so you can also use this remedy for your palm to make it softer. And also we're going to be needing lemon. Now I have half cut of lemon here guys. Alright, lemon is a great remedy that helps for the skin and also for the body. It also helps for the hair. It helps so much in removing build-up of scars, and it also helps for crack heels. So it would therefore help us in getting rid of all of the crack heels, and it will make your heel and palm soft. And now, since I have already cut lemon, I would have to squeeze it in it. Okay, now after I'm done squeezing, I'm going to keep the zest, which is the back of this lemon, for use. Okay, we're going to make use of this. Now to make it even better, we're going to be putting in coconut oil. Okay, now coconut oil is fast, it's great for a lot of things, and one of them, which is crack heels, it will help in softening and moisturizing the heels, and it's going to be great for the palm too. Alright guys, to make that even better, I'm going to be putting in some drops of coconut oil so it could moisturize the heel. And now we're going to also be making use of onion. Onion is a great and wonderful remedy that helps to remove dark patches and dark spots. It contains an acidic remedy that helps in getting rid of crack heels, so it will heal the crack heels, and it will also help it get softer. Right, so now we have to prepare the onion. Okay, so this is basically how you're going to prepare onion. You're just going to cut off the dry parts. That's for the people who don't actually know how to do that. So now, for us to use the onion, we would have to grate it or blend it. So however you can do yours, it's okay guys. For me, I would just love to grate it. Okay, I can as well blend it, but I just want to grate it. Alright, this is okay. Okay guys, so now we're just going to be stirring this all up. Okay, so here's the treatment, and we're gonna be using the lemon zest to do that, guys. So you're just gonna use it to grab the treatment, okay, like that, and then you would use that to scrub your heel. Use that to scrub your legs too. Scrub everywhere. Okay, so after you scrub this, then you have to immediately wash. Okay, when you're scrubbing like this 3 times in a week, man, your leg is gonna be looking flawlessly smooth. Okay, and now you just rinse. Just rinse with the normal water, guys. Because I know some people will be like asking me question, what kind of water do you want us to rinse with? You can only store it for a few days, okay? And then you scrub your heels. Well, the heel is actually not something you can like scrub. If you can scrub for 3 times in a week, it's gonna be okay, guys. It's gonna be perfect. So you can store it for approximately 5 days and scrub it, and your heel is gonna be softer, okay? So that's it, guys. That's just a very easy way to remove cracked heels and a very strong palm. Okay, it is way natural and very friendly, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video. And also don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye, guys.